This is Georgia Clark doing Unit 304 using collaborative technologies. So to start with, we'll be looking at number 2.5, which is an introduction onto how my Dropbox is set up. So to start with, I created a new file. It's this one, the NCCU 304 one. So you can see that because there's 8 members in our class, we've each created a folder for each person. So then when we want to share with them, so for example, if I want to share with Neve, I'd click on her name here and I'd start to type in her name and her email will come up, and that means I can either edit, she can either have access to edit the account or she can have access just to view the document. So for example, I'll send her can edit, so I've shared her on that one. And then for example, if I was going to share Lauren on the account, I might decide to only give her view access. So Lauren, and then this means that she can't edit the documents, it means she'll just be able to view them. So if I share Lauren on her account, cool, so I've shared both of them on their folders. So now, for example, I could do that on all of them. I could give them different levels of access depending on what their job was or their role was for me to share on the account with them. So if I then, because for 4.4, sorry, we look at archiving. So you can see that if you want to archive a document, it will last up to 30 days previous for the free version and up to 120 days for the paid for version. So if you go to here and you go to pricing, when this loads, you'll be able to see that. Are you ready to do it? I'm just waiting for Georgia's cut. You'll be able to see that you can. Sorry, that doesn't work. Pricing. It should show that what other ones you can have. So, for example, you can have the plus one, which lasts for 130 days, 120 days. Sorry, but that's $7.99 a month or £79 for the year, or the professional one, which gives you all these extra features. So for example, you can see here the 120-day version history is £199 for the year. So then click over to here. So I need Neve to share a file with me, so I'm going to Skype call her now. So go to here. Wait for her to answer. Hi Neve, would you be able to share that file with me please? Thank you. So before you could see this folder was empty, but now 3 seconds ago she's inputted the 304 brief. Thank you Neve. Bye. So now that was for 3.5. So then finally, if you click on here, you should be able to edit her, because I gave her edit document, her edit access. She could be able to edit it. So rather than me needing to download it onto my desktop and then re-upload it to Dropbox, if you click it and click open, wait for that to load, you can then, for example, you could change it so you could make any alterations to her document, for example, and then all you'd have to do is save it and come out of the document and it would have saved. Thank you.